Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Well, this is the first time this year that I'm on the lake. The weather this year is, I don't know, so bad here where I live. In the rest of the Europe everything is burning but here it's raining all the time, and today is the first time. It's nice, it's sun, it's quiet, it's not windy, and I'm decided to take my boat on the lake. Well, today I want to show you a couple of things. The first thing, when I'm also interested because I didn't try this motor. It was in the basement for a whole year, and I'm pretty much excited now to start that motor because I'm not sure how this motor will react after a year in the basement. So guys, in a couple of seconds we will start this engine after a year in the basement, and then we will see actually how reliable this engine is. So wish me luck, okay? Another thing for this boat, as you can see, I bought this Bimini sun protection, but about that I will show you a little bit later, okay? Now we will first start the engine to see if it is gonna run or not. Well, no!
Uh-oh!
First couple of times I didn't want to start. I was expecting that, but I probably restarted, I don't know, 10 times, something like that, and then it started. It's working! Yeah! So I expected that after a year in a storage in a basement. I expected that this engine will not start from the first time, but as I said, it started, and I'm happy now. Wow! Now we can ride in this lake. So I think the engine is pretty much cool, isn't it? What do you think? Do you have a boat like this or engine like this? What is your experience? Well guys, you have seen the motor started super. Oh, I'm so enjoying this day because after so many days of bad weather, today is super nice. And as you can see in the video, I have bought this sun protection, this Bimini for boats. I installed it. I am very much satisfied and I think it's worth it to buy one. I bought this one, I don't know, about 140 euros, something like that. I'm not sure, but about that price. And I installed it on my boat and I'm really enjoyed it, really, because you can put on the side something else. If you have a sun going down through this on the side, that's afternoon or early in the morning. But when a sun is high up, this is super protection for the sunny days. And as I said, I'm satisfied that my motor started, that I can drive it today. I was not sure if it is gonna start or not because it was 1 year in a storage room, and it did take a couple times to try it. I think around 10 times. I pulled the cord about 10 times, and just about the moment when I turned off the camera because I thought it will not start at all, it started, so I didn't record it. But you can see I'm satisfied, I'm not crying. And yeah, I like this boat, I like this little engine, it's cool and I can recommend it to all of you. My boat is 3 meters 80 centimeters, and for that kind of boat I'm using 6 horsepower engine. It would be nice a little bit more, for example a 9 horsepower, but I'm pretty much satisfied with this what I had. And okay, maybe sometimes in the future I will buy another one, who knows. So I will not talk anymore because the day is beautiful, the sunshine after so many days of rain, and I will let you enjoy this video. If you like this video or any other video on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You don't have to, that's optional, but I would like you to do it. Like this video, share if you want, and comment, of course. Leave your comment down there what you think about this boat. Do you have one? Do you have an engine? Do you have problems with your engine? Anything. I would like to get in contact with you guys. So stay cool, stay healthy, and enjoy these beautiful days if you have one in the region from where you're watching my videos. Thank you very much one more time and see ya.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young.